dead. Oh yeah, it doesn't touch him. Not even close. Fucking stupidest game ever. Don't need this. Delete. Delete shortcut. Don't know what that is. Delete. Delete shortcut.
Why are you getting so mad?
Because I don't need to. Delete. Delete shortcut. iTunes down. Nope, gonna keep that. Don't know what that is. Delete. Yes.
You get mad really easily.
Delete. Shut up.
What if you like that? Maybe you want to play it later. You're just mad right now.
Shut up.
Why?
Shut up.
I'm helping you.
No, you're not.
Yeah, what if you like it?
What if I like it? What if I like what?
The game. Maybe you're sick of it now, but you might want to play it later, and now you...
That's the most retarded game ever.
You seemed to like it a couple minutes ago.
Shut up.
Why?
Shut up.
I didn't do anything.
Don't need this crap. Don't even know what it is. Don't need this. Don't need that. Don't know what this crap is.
Can you get your mouse away from mine? You have all that room and you're just like hogging it all.
I'm hugging it all. Look how much you have. Yeah, I'm hugging it all.
Yeah, you are.
Shut up.
No.
Shut up.
No.
Shut up.
No.
Free music download.
Stop making fun of me.
Not
You're so weird. Why do you get so mad easily?
You don't have a folder like this, bitch. You don't know how to